During the course of 2013 in Derry, Londonderry, a unique relationship developed between two organisations that might traditionally have been regarded as polar opposites. One was in Gaelaris, based in Culterlan, whose purpose is the promotion of Irish language and culture, and the other was the Londonderry Bands Forum, who are the most visible representatives of the local Protestant, Unionist and Loyalist community. These two groups are normally viewed in terms of the Northern Ireland experience as the very antithesis of each other. The aim of this resource is to look at how this relationship came about, to try to understand the challenges that were overcome to bring about this engagement, and then to identify the lessons that can be learnt. This engagement and the subsequent ongoing relationships have been cited as a model of good practice within the Northern Ireland context, and this was publicly witnessed by a large national and international audience. This resource will touch on issues around how we stereotype people, which causes prejudice. It will look at our understanding of cultural identity and how we build trust between people who see themselves as culturally different to others. There are stereotypical images that come to mind when we think of marching bands, the Irish language, and the All-Ireland flag. The media and politics often influence our opinions and can sometimes confirm our conscious and unconscious prejudices. But 2013 saw some challenges to these stereotypical views and images. In 2008, a Sinn Féin Assembly member criticised the Burntollet Sons of Ulster, amongst others, after they received funding from the Arts Council, saying, "There must be mechanisms for the Arts Council and Awards for All to ensure that anyone receiving funding isn't involved in sectarian bands such as the so-called Blood and Thunder bands that are evident on our streets every summer." This same band then performed on a Fleadh stage in 2013, receiving a gift in recognition of the participation of the Londonderry Bands Forum in the Fleadh from Laoras O'Muircheartaigh, the Director General of Comhaltas Cultúrtha Éireann. This resource will help us to understand how or what facilitated an engagement between these communities that was the first of its kind and never before seen on this scale within the context of the Northern Ireland experience.